All right, so we're here with St. George's College captain Adrian Reid. Another year leading this team. First of all, how is the Manning Cup season going so far? How are you?
Well, 3 games, 3 win, We got a hat trick, I scored a couple goals today. So it's going good so far and going good for the team as well.
All right, you came out today scoring 2 free kicks almost from the same spot. Talk to me after you scored the first one, walking up to the second one. What was going through your mind, and were you prepared to do the same thing?
No, I just look at the keeper position. He was a bit behind the wall, so I just think it over.
All right, and one more year. You're a bit more mature. You represented Jamaica. You played in the JPL. What are some of the experiences that you gain, and what will you take to this team and this year's Manning Cup?
Well, I definitely gained some maturity, some steel. So I just add that to the team and try to.
All right, and what will Georges accomplish this year? I think Georges will take a big claim this year, going to win it. We don't expect Georges to stay down for too long. What can we expect from you, coming from the captain?
Yeah, definitely. We're going for it. If we don't win it this year, it's a disappointment for us. And I will be there all year. I will help the team anywhere I can, any position. So.
All right, thank you.